everyone, Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, everyone, is from BABALA company. Thank you so much for reaching out back to me. And so they give this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a dime from this product in exchange of my unboxing. And I revealed my own personal thought opinion in this purse. I will do a review as per as what I have observed, okay, what I've seen in this product. And of course, I will do a try on to this, okay? So let's proceed to this unboxing, okay? Ta-da! Alright, so let's unbox this one. And everyone, please careful in using sharp objects, okay? Thank you. Okay. Ta-da! Beautiful, isn't it? So, thank you so much once again, Babala, for this. Isn't it so cute? Haha. Oh, wow, look at this. Okay. So, let's take this off. Guys, you can see that. Very beautiful, isn't it? So, I got one here. Oh, zipper sound slides perfectly. So this is the inside. We got 1, 2, 3. Generous, isn't it? See? And I got this one here too. Oh, for cash. Okay. And another one. Wow. Huh. Unbelievable. That's a lot of room. Let's take this off. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my God. Can't wait. And take this out too. I will be using this in my golden birthday. Ooh, look at me. I am. Wow. Gorgeous. It's beautiful. Oh my God, thank you so much, Babala, for this. I am super excited for this. Look at this, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for this, Babala. Beautiful, so cute. And for sure, my phone fit here. Okay. Just boom. Okay. Oh. Cards. And yeah, isn't it gorgeous? Right? So all the information of this company is below in this description, okay? Alright, I will see you in my try on outdoor today. Thank you so much. Material is awesome. Superb. Woohoo! Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. This is just so cute. Oh. And so, what do you say? Isn't it beautiful? Right? Really is. So gorgeous. And it looks so elegant. Really. So, as I've said earlier, this has a magnetic lock. Okay? And very generous though. Look at that. Phone fit here. And very generous cards, 6 of different cards holder, and you can have your coins, cash, whatsoever you wanted to put that in. And another one here, right? Gorgeous, no? So yeah, and there is another one here too. So cute, little, elegant purse. Material is superb. See? And look at that handle, guys. Isn't it elegant? Beautiful, no? Really. And here. So, I will be using this in my upcoming birthday. Alright? Isn't it gorgeous? See? Beautiful. Cute, very elegant. This is very good when I will be attending a dinner. Christmas is coming, as you know, as we all know that, right? So the link and information of this company is in my description. Please go check if you would like to buy, and if you are willing, or if you are wanting to buy, and if you're kind of curious what kind of company it is, please go check the link in the description below. Alright, so yeah, let's try this outdoor. See you there. Thank you.